Welcome to the online news desk of the Insurance Times. The Insurance Times is the first monthly journal on insurance in India, being published regularly since 1981. We are celebrating 41st year of publications in the year 2021. The journal is published both in hard copy and online edition. Here are some highlights of some important news. Net Zero Climate Alliance launched by top insurers. The companies, which include Europe's top 3 insurers by premiums, Allianz, AXA and Generali, said the Net Zero Insurance Alliance would work to shift underwriting portfolios towards net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2050. 8 of the world's leading insurance and reinsurance companies launched an alliance to help speed up a transition to a net zero emissions economy. The move comes as insurers come under increasing pressure to spell out how they plan to decarbonize their businesses and growing calls for them to stop underwriting and investing in fossil fuel projects. Each of the companies will individually set intermediate targets every 5 years and report on progress annually in cooperation with competition authorities, the NZIA members said in a statement. With this new Net Zero Insurance Alliance, we are raising our climate ambition further, said Thomas Burbel, Chief Executive of the AXA Group, which chairs the NZIA. NZIA members, which also include Aviva, Munich Re, SCOR, Swiss Re and Zurich Insurance Group, will set underwriting criteria for the most carbon-intensive techniques in their underwriting portfolios and offer solutions for low-emission and zero-emission technologies. Arogya Supreme launched by SBI General Insurance. SBI General Insurance, one of India's leading general insurers, announced the launch of a comprehensive health insurance plan named Arogya Supreme. This specific plan is designed to ensure that customers can have full health insurance coverage, including 20 basic covers and 8 optional covers. The policy provides a wide range of sum insured options up to 5 crore rupees, wherein customers can choose from 3 options via Pro, Plus and Premium based on the sum insured and coverage features. Among other customer-friendly coverages like sum insured refill, recovery benefit, compassionate visit, etc., customers also have a facility to choose the policy tenure ranging from 1 to 3 years. PC Kanpal, MD and CEO, SBI General Insurance Company said, "In today's scenario, health insurance has become a necessity and not an option. Arogya Supreme, a comprehensive health insurance plan with reinstatement feature and a wide range of sum insured, will enable customers to choose the premium and tenure that suits their needs." Arogya Supreme is a comprehensive product and filled with multiple benefits and coverages for a retail customer. We shall be back after a short commercial break. Please stay tuned. Welcome back after the break. Navi General Insurance launches health insurance on EMI basis. Navi General Insurance has introduced an option for customers to buy health insurance via a monthly subscription EMI instead of paying the annual premium upfront. Navi's option to pay monthly equated monthly installments EMIs for health insurance will make it more affordable and ultimately make health insurance more accessible to a larger set of customers. The policies can be purchased at EMIs starting as low as 240 rupees per month, according to the Navi General Insurance press release issued on 14th June. The policy provides a wide range of sum insured options up to 5 crore rupees, wherein customers can choose from 3 options. Navi Health offers comprehensive health insurance that covers more than 20 health benefits, including inpatient hospitalization, pre and post hospitalization expenses, domiciliary hospitalization, 393 day care procedures, road ambulance cover, a vector-borne disease cover, and optional critical illness, maternity and newborn baby cover. With no agents and a completely digital and paperless process, customers can buy health insurance via the Navi Health app within 2 minutes with the policy issued to them instantly on the app. Navi offers health insurance cover ranging from 2 lakh rupees to 1 crore rupees for individuals and families as per the release. Liberty General Insurance launches Liberty 365. Liberty General Insurance Limited, one of the leading general insurance companies in India, introduced Liberty 365. 365 days claim service including weekends and holidays. This is a one-of-its-kind customer-focused initiative in India in which Liberty General Insurance will process its policyholders' claims on all days of the week, unlike other insurance companies who offer this support only from Monday to Friday. Ever since it started its operation in 2013, Liberty General Insurance has been recognized in the Indian market for its superior claim servicing. With this industry-first initiative, the company strives to take its commitment to its customers a notch higher. Motor health and travel insurance customers of LGI will be able to avail this service at no extra premium cost. This facility will be available for claims processed in-house by LGI's team comprising of automobile and health insurance experts, ensuring claimants don't have to wait for weekend to pass to avail of LGI's claim service. For motor insurance customers, this service is available for vehicle inspections and cashless repair approvals upon filing a claim, as well as for post-repair approvals for timely delivery of the vehicle at the participating workshops for claims up to 50,000 INR for private cars and up to 10,000 INR for two-wheelers. Speaking on the development, Mr. Rupam Asthana, CEO and whole-time director, Liberty General Insurance said, "Customer centricity is at the heart of all endeavors that Liberty General Insurance undertakes. We care for our customers and want them to live safer and more secure lives. At the same time, we want to ensure that we are accessible to our customers when they need us any day of the week. This initiative is a strong reaffirmation of our long-term commitment to our customers and to growing general insurance industry in India." This was all from the Online Insurance Times news desk. We will be back with latest news in insurance industry in our next edition. Please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notifications for the next video. Stay connected.